Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to unbox our newly item. This is Xiaomi Redmi AirDots TWS Bluetooth 5.0. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you very much to Banggood.com for making this video possible. Yes, it's Banggood.com. Shopping with fun, best bang for your buck. Banggood.com accepts payment method like PayPal, credit or debit card, bank transfer, and even COD or cash on delivery. It's amazing. Alright guys, if nagbabala kayong bumili na to, this is it. This is for you. I-unbox natin siya and bigyan na rin natin ng a little bit review. And kapag ka-decided na kayo bumili nito, yung link nasa description lang, i-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang official store for this item. Alright guys, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Alright guys, this is their parcel from Banggood. And as always, kapag mag-unbox kayo, laging gumamit ng scissors. Ayan. This is their actual packaging. Dito sa taas may makikita kayong logo ng Xiaomi. And sa baba may nakasulat na Redmi AirDots. I-open na natin siya and let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, makikita nyo yung inyong Redmi AirDots. Ito siya. So, meron siyang nakasulat na logo ng Xiaomi. And ganito lang siya kaliit. Halos almost 2 inches lang siya. And as you can see, ito yung aking palm. And ganyan lang yung size niya. And sa loob, makikita nyo yung inyong pinaka AirDots. Ayan. Itabi muna natin to and let's see kung ano pa yung meron sa loob. Meron kayong makukuhang user manual. Ayan. Yung manual niya ay it's written in Chinese but I think madali lang naman siyang gamitin. So, i-demo natin siya later. And your extra 2 pairs of earplugs. So you have total of 3 pairs of earplugs. And there you have it guys. That is our unboxing for this Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. And as you can see, napakaliit lang niya. Super cute. And I am so surprised na napakagaang lang niya. And itong lalagyan na to, it comes na with self power bank. So hindi nyo na kailangan dalhin yung inyong charger plug para i-charge lang siya dahil kapag ka nalobat yung inyong AirDots, all you need to do, ibabalik nyo lang siya dito sa lalagyanan, magcha-charge na siya itself. It's so amazing. And yung kanyang charging port ay micro USB. And let me give you the main features of this Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. It has noise reduction technology. For sound quality, it's softer and clearer. Automatic second connection. It has Bluetooth 5.0. Up to 12 hours long battery life with charging box. It can summon voice assistant for voice control mobile phone. Comfortable to wear, self-adjusting, not easy to fall off. And IPX waterproof, no fear of rain and sweat. And as I promised, bibigyan natin siya ng a little bit review para marinig natin yung kanyang audio quality. This Xiaomi Redmi AirDots is super easy to pair to your device. All you need to do ay on nyo lang yung inyong Bluetooth sa inyong device and tanggalin nyo yung inyong AirDots sa kanyang lalagyanan. Automatically, lalabas na yung kanyang pairing settings and i-connect nyo lang yung inyong device sa ating Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. And that's it. Super easy. Connected na kayo sa Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. And ayan, super easy lang siya i-connect sa inyong device. And connected na yung ating Xiaomi Redmi AirDots para matest na natin siya at marinig natin yung kanyang audio quality. And magple-play ako ng some music and after ko marinig, paparinig ko siya sa inyo. And try natin tong Walls by Rival. Wow. Super ganda yung kanyang audio quality, lalong-lalo na yung kanyang noise reduction technology. As in, napaka-soft and clear ng kanyang sounds. And, paparinig ko siya sa inyo. Ayan, lalapit ko sa ating microphone. Medyo lakasan ko ng konti. Tig-isa tayo. Ito yung kanyang maximum volume. Lagyan ko sa half. Wow. Super ganda yung kanyang audio quality. Kung maririnig nyo siya personally, yung kanyang quality ay napaka-soft and napaka-clear niya. And napakaganda nito kapag, I think kapag magta-travel kayo. For example, sasakay kayo ng airplane. As I experience, kapag gumagamit ako ng headset, yung ordinary lang, kapag nakikinig ako ng music or nanonood ng movie sa airplane, ay halos hindi ko na marinig yung aking pinapakinggan or yung pinapanood. Ang naririnig ko na lang ay yung engine ng eroplano. But I think kapag ito yung gamit nyo, yung Xiaomi Redmi AirDots, ay napakaganda ng quality na maririnig nyo doon sa inyong pinapakinggan or pinapanood at hindi nyo maririnig yung engine ng aeroplano because meron siyang noise reduction technology at napaka-soft and clear ng kanyang audio. And there you have it guys, that is our unboxing and a little bit review of Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. Again, kapag decided na kayo bumili nito, yung link nasa description lang. I-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang official store for this item. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Be one of the extraordinary people, subscribe to my channel. I-ring nyo na rin yung notification bell para kapag mayroon tayong bagong videos like this and everything, mananotify kayo sa inyong YouTube account. And I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye!